Hello everyone. So today EduBard has come up with an online summer code camp on basics of data science, which is being organized by NIT Jalandhar, and the last date to apply is 21st June 2021. So for those of you who don't know what exactly EduBard is, so EduBard is an educational platform that helps students keep updated with the latest job and internship opportunities and the free courses that are being organized by the most premium institutes of India. So looking at the overview, so Department of Computer Science NIT Jalandhar organizing an online summer code camp on basics of data science using R and Python. Okay, so the technical stacks will be R and Python. So this course will be started from 9th of August as 4 hours per day, including hands-on session till 31st of August 2021. So the duration of the course is around 20 days, and the course overcomes all the fundamentals issues step by step that a newcomer within the field faces. In this course, after completion of each topic, an assignment is provided to see your understanding and the learning level. In the first 2 weeks, you are going to learn R with problems and projects related to data science, and the same pattern is repeated for Python in the next 2 weeks. Okay, so you will have good hands on the basics of R and basics of Python. So the speakers are Dr. KP Sharma, Dr. Amit Pal Singh, and Dr. Prashant Kumar. And the registration fees is very minimal. For NIT Jalandhar faculty and students, it's just going to be rupees 1000 including GST. But for others, it will be, that is for non NIT Jalandhar students and faculties, it will be rupees 1000 plus 18% GST. So these are the important dates, the table just I have highlighted. So the registration has already commenced from June 21, 2021, and the last date to register will be July 21, 2021. And the commencement of the course, that I have already told that it is a 20-day course. So the course begins on August 9, 2021, and the last date of the course is 31st of August 2021. So, looking at the benefits, the experienced faculty, you will also get certified to improve skill. You will have a chance to improve your skills, career advancement, and the cost, as we have already discussed, is very minimal and hot and field. So, to apply, you can just go to the official EduBard website, and here you can find the link to apply. You should also join the WhatsApp group so that you can still be updated with the recent opportunities. And this is the source to apply. You can just go here and click on source. So this is the basic template that we have. The things in these we have already discussed. So Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, NIT Jalandhar, Department of Computer Science presents online summer school for 4 weeks on basics of data science using R and Python. 4 hours per day, including hands-on sessions. Faculty of the course that we have already discussed: Dr. KP Sharma, Dr. Amit Pal Singh, Dr. Prashant Kumar, and you can the link of GitHub has been provided. For more information, you can just go and check this out. We have discussed the dates of registration. So let's just go through their website on. So this is the course overview. So part 1 basics of R, part 2 basics of Python. So this is all. You can just go and read about DSCC, that an intensive 4-week code camp is being organized for the first and second year students of engineering and technological institutions. The basic motive of this code camp is to provide the basic knowledge of the primary tools of the data science domain and provide hands-on experience to students at the very initial. So you can just go and check everything out. So you can also go and check the featured events, the upcoming events. Okay, so you can also meet the qualified teachers that will be taking your classes: Dr. KP Sharma, Dr. Amit Pal Singh, and Dr. Prashant Kumar. I guess you will be able to check their, yes. See, you can also check their profile. So these are the benefits that we have already discussed. So I guess this is it. And you, like I have already told, you can just go and check out the faculty. Check out the faculty. So okay, so that's it. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, just go and hit the subscribe button. Also click on the bell icon so that you will be updated and you will be notified every time we release a new video. Thank you.